Alright, so this is my 91 Ram 350 that I just acquired. It's in pretty good condition for the year. It's been dirty because it's been sitting for a very long time. It is Dooley. Dooley! Back here, don't like that. Need a normal bed. And the interior is pretty clean. And this is a 91. There's the frame for the dash there. Let's go ahead and give this thing a quick little wash. Alright, so I got everything pressure washed down, all the algae's off. Came out pretty good. Everything's white now and not green. it is gonna need to get repainted, so let's see what color we paint it. Alright, so stay tuned for more content with the first gen Ram 350. I think next video I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this bed off and we can get the frame all cleaned up. So stay tuned.